It's here. Okay, my makeup mannequin head just came in the mail today, and I'm gonna be unbagging it on camera. I say unbagging it because it's not in the box, it's in the bag. I've always wanted one of these. I always wanted to see one of these in person, and a lot of people say that these things stain a lot. Ooh, it feels soft. It feels soft. All right, are we ready? A lot of people say things like this stain, but I honestly don't know of any mannequin head out there that doesn't stain, so we're just gonna have to make do with the ones on Amazon. They have such little eyebrow. They have such little eyes. They have such little eyelids. Oh my word. But it feels super soft. Oh my word. Look. I can, whoa. Get out of here. Okay. If we unbag it, yes, it is flat in the back. There it is. That's the makeup mannequin head. This looks really weird. Okay, so we're just gonna have to wipe it off and clean it, and then there's actually 3 different colors, but this one was the cheapest one, so that's why I got this one. But I think I'm going to go ahead and try to see if it stains or not. I have a little bit of makeup right here. We're gonna try on the mannequin head in our next clip. All right, so not even a couple minutes after I grabbed the makeup to do it, I stained her, and I tried to wash it off, but there is still a little bit of staining that's not really visible on the camera, which is kind of crazy because I just got her and I started washing her, and now I'm skeptical about putting makeup on her. We're gonna try anyway. I literally am using a paintbrush right now. So as you see, I almost stained my mannequin head. As a matter of fact, you see the little blue mark right there. So obviously this mannequin head will definitely stain. I don't think there's any mannequin head out there that will not, because it's not real human skin. Another thing is that it actually has very small eyelids, and I mainly got this because I wanted to practice eyeshadow. Look how tiny the eyelids are. You can't really tell on here, but it's really tiny compared to mine. This will just be temporary while I get my practice together, then I can really do it on my own face. Yeah, I will be making videos doing makeup tutorials, or showing you me doing makeup on here, because I don't really know how to do makeup. But I'm only going to do that once I get more products and I'm confident that I could tape and do it at the same time. But if you want to purchase this, this was only $10. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like this video. There's a lot of racket in the back. If you hear it, please ignore, because there's people all over. So anyways, thanks for watching, and that's my unboxing today. Makeup mannequin head. Bye!